Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So Cronos, we had quite of a ride, and then I believe that if we can survive this bear market, it's going to do great. Actually, I'm saying that as a joke, because I'm not, we should never say I'm never worried, and then it will not go down. But it did survive. I believe the biggest challenge, I would say, when people they were all withdrawing the funds, and then so he proved us that he's managing well the assets up to now anyway. But even though we'd say we know it's okay to trust an exchange, but we should change this mentality that to use a crypto exchange as a bank. So we use it to make some transaction. If we do a short-term transaction, it's okay to leave the investment there, because we are going to sell them back shortly, within a few days or a few weeks. And also it depends on the amount of we're talking about, right? Because if you're trading $5,000, maybe it's worth it to pay $1 to put in a cold storage. Okay, so that's one thing I wanted to cover as well. So this was our first peak. We almost reached $1, and now, as we can see, we are below 7 cents. So the only thing I'm a little bit worried maybe that we can still do another leg down if Bitcoin is not done with his reversal, or if he didn't finish that fifth leg down. So now this is why it's very important for Cronos to go higher that he can, in case Bitcoin goes and make a new lower low. Maybe if he gain substantial levels, then he will manage to not make a lower low, and he's going to make a higher low, and then it's going to be much more encouraging for this coin. So in February we completed this overshooting wave B, and it's great because we kind of break out from this long-term downtrend. After that we went down and completed our wave 2 in blue. So this was wave 1 in blue. This is A, B, C, completed the wave 2 in blue. We actually even wick out from usually what wave 2 is allowed to go, and start to be unlikely, but it really react well, and we bounce back. Now if I go into the 1 hour, I am going to check. So here I would say we started this third wave in blue. Within this third wave in blue, we're going to have 5 waves. This is the green count. So now again, within this green wave 1, we had 5 waves in red, and I believe this was the A, this was the B, and we're doing the C now. So let's dig in more in detail for that. So let me see. Oh man. Okay. So here, sorry, because I had a call, just annoying. Alright, so we had the 1, a 2, and here it's a 3. I would say this is a shallow 3 because we don't want the wave 3 to be the shortest one, otherwise invalidates the Elliott wave counts. So now, yeah, we need to have a shallow wave 5, I would say. So ideally we should go to the 0.618 and reverse. That would be fair, because the wave 5 would be the shortest one, and it wouldn't invalidate anything. Yeah, so that's ideally what could happen. Well, for sure, this is micro counting, so don't expect to be always, no, actually maybe 50% or even less of the counts work well. Any case, the most important thing is the Fibonacci retracement. So if I take this wave 1 in green, this is the Fibonacci retracement, and so we actually already, what happened here? It's a little bit offset. Let me recheck here. Okay, no, that's good. Okay, so we already tip into lower the 0.5 levels. Now we bounce back. So I wouldn't mind to go to the 0.618, which is the golden ratio for the wave 2. And then after we can bounce back, so no problem with that. So even if we go lower, I wouldn't mind until we can hold these levels. For sure, our invalidation point is going to be the beginning of this wave 1 in green, which is going to be here at, let's say, to round it up, at 6 cents. Okay, so invalidation point 6 cents. Ideally, we're going to continue to go lower until the 0.06614, and after that we flip and go for higher prices. And ideally we're going to make this third wave in green. What's going to be the next target? Well, you know, it's hard to say because the wave 2 is not completed. So when I will see a reversal of price, I will estimate the third wave in green. Now if I go to the Fibonacci indicators, well, you know, 1 hour, I don't think it's worth it to really analyze. 4 hours, we can see we're still in decline. Yeah, MACD also, we're kind of moving on the side and in negative momentum. And let me see here. So the daily also, we're kind of in decline. MACD, maybe we're having a shift on momentum maybe, but you know, for a moment, once again, the most important thing is the price action. Price action telling me that for the sake of the structure, we should get another lower low. So let's see how it goes with that. So that's it for Cronos for today. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.